This one secret will completely blow up your channel, except it's not really a secret because it's super easy. I'll show you how to do it very, very quickly. Now, the number one reason that you're not getting views on your channel and your channel sucks completely is because you don't have a reason why. Let me give it to you straight. I've had hundreds of videos across 10 plus channels across 10 plus years, and I've gone through the same failures as you. Video after video after video, you try so many different things, and still no matter what you do, there's no luck. You get no views, and it sucks and it hurts. And all you want to do is say, it's the algorithm's fault. You want to blame the algorithm. Look, I've been there, but I'll tell you one thing. It's not the algorithm's fault. You're a loser. You're bad. You don't know how to make good videos. So let me tell you why your videos are failing even after hundreds of attempts. Now, many people when they make videos, even if you go through my old channel, look, hundreds of different videos, but ask yourself, why would the viewer watch? If you solve the why, you get the views. You need to understand that every video you make has to provide value to the viewer. You are a random nobody. Let's say you upload a gaming video. Why would someone watch your video and not PewDiePie's? Why would someone watch your video and not Jacksepticeye's or whoever else is on the scene, right? Anytime you make something, you have to provide some value. Now, let's look at this example here. You got a lot of Minecraft videos now that have challenges. You know, beating Minecraft, but I have to obey the rules of Islam. Beating this, but this happens. Beating this, but that happens. Automatically, this person has now created a why. Even if it's a brand new channel with 0 views, if someone sees this on their homepage, they're going to think, oh, this is an interesting challenge or question, or I want to find out what's going to happen. So therefore, they click. Whereas if you do something like Minecraft Fun Moments number 3 and it's you and your friend playing games, why would the viewer care? What is your why? Think to yourself, if you don't have a why, you're not going to get views. And every time you make videos, before consistency, before uploading a lot, before all of these things, in your day one scripting and thinking of the video, just think of a why and think of a random person amongst all the other YouTube videos. Why would they click on yours on the homepage? That's what you want to think about. That's what's going to make you stand out, and that's automatically going to double, triple, quadruple, even 10x your views. It's as simple as that, but all your videos currently have no why, and the why, if you do have one, probably sucks. So take time, think about the why, change your entire channel, and that's how I went from getting views like this, 0.00000 garbage views, 30 views, 40 views, to views like this, where I'm getting hundreds and thousands of views because I'm providing value, I'm explaining and answering things. So go back to your storyboard, think about your why, change your channel. If you need help, I have a school in the description below. It's at a launch price of $69. We're going to completely help change your channel. If you want to get to 1,000 subscribers, we can help you out there.